There can be multiple problems with the word problem. This video is going to help you pronounce the word problem correctly in British English. The word problem has two syllables, prob and lum. The first syllable is stronger and the second syllable is weaker. That's because the stress is at the start of the word, problem. When the stress is at the start of the word, this means that the second syllable is usually reduced, which means the E isn't fully pronounced. It's more of a sound. PROB-lum, So the first error is when students pronounce all of the letters, PROB-lem. So it's not PROB-lem, it's PROB-lum. If this is already helping, don't forget to like and subscribe for more British pronunciation tips. Another thing that can make pronouncing this sound easier is to consider the B at the end of the first syllable as part of the last. So rather than PROB-lum, we get PROB-lum. It's a very, very small difference, but this way we can focus on the blum sound. PROB-lum, problem. You will barely notice the difference in natural speech, but it can make the word easier to pronounce. The second problem with problem is the pr at the start. Pr can sometimes sound like pw, problem, so the R sounds more like a W. This is because the bottom lip is moving, which makes the R sound more like a W. W, r, pr, pw. To stop this from happening, make sure your lower lip is not moving. Pr, pr, not pw, pw. It's a very, very slight difference. For r, your jaw will go directly down. R, pr. But with w, your lips are moving out towards the sides. Pw, pw, problem. So try and focus on making sure the jaw goes down. Problem. The second problem is that speakers can sometimes make the P sound too voiced. P is a plosive, so it should just be an airy sound. P, p, p. So here your vocal cords don't vibrate. However, in other languages, the P is more voiced, becoming more of a p, problem. So rather than being a light P, it starts to sound like a deeper B sound. Problem. In English, P is voiceless, so the vocal cords don't vibrate. To correct this mistake, focus on producing the P sound but without vibrating the vocal cords. So it should be like a little explosion of air. P, p, p. If you found this video useful, save it for later and comment any words you'd like help with next. See you in the next lesson.